how to connect Cobra SC 250R dash cam to your phone. Having trouble connecting your dash cam to your phone? Don't worry. In this video, I'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Download the app. First, download the Drive Smarter app from your device's app store. Step 2. Open and log in. Once installed, launch the app and log in with your existing account or create a new one if you haven't already. Step 3. Add your vehicle info. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter your vehicle's details. This ensures the app is properly set up for your dashcam. Step 4. Connect your dashcam. Now, connect your dashcam by following the guided prompts within the app. This step may vary slightly depending on your dashcam model. Step 5. Customize your settings. Once connected, you can access and adjust your dashcam settings through the app to optimize performance based on your preferences. After completing these steps, your dashcam should be successfully linked to your phone, allowing you to operate it seamlessly. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.